In this video, I'm going to show you how you can password protect a folder on Windows 11. Now this will work on any version of Windows, it doesn't matter what version you have. This is working and I'll show you quickly how you can do it. So here I've got a folder called My Stuff, and inside this folder I've just got 5 videos as an example that I'm going to lock. So what we need to do, we need to first go ahead and open the folder, and you need to go ahead and right click inside the folder, go New, and then go to Text Document. Now you can call this text document whatever you want. I'm just going to call it lock for the video. You can call it whatever you want, but if you just want to follow my lead, then just call it lock and click enter. Now this will be a text document inside of your folder. So now what you want to do is double click on the text document, and that will open up this notepad file. And what we need to do from here is copy and paste some code into it. Now I'll leave a link in the description to the code, and all you need to do is open the description, click on this link, and it will take you here to this code. Now from this code, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and copy it. So go ahead and just copy all of this. So you can highlight all of this code, start at echo off and end at end. So first you would highlight all of this, then right click, click copy, and then if you minimize this, you will then be taken back to your notepad file. If you can't find your file, just go ahead and double click on it again. Then right click, click paste. And what you need to do here is look for a specific line of code, right? Now the line you want to look for is going to be this. If not pass equals your password go to fail. Now here where it says your password in caps lock, this is what you want to change to the password of your choice. So I'm just going to highlight all of this, click delete, and then I'll type 1234 as my password. Now you can choose any password with any characters, it doesn't matter. Just make sure you replace the old password with an updated password of your choice. Now once you've done that, you want to go to File, Save As, and you should then be saving it in the same folder. Mine is called My Stuff. Then you want to add this extension as the file name. So you'll have your file name, then type .bat, and that's all you've got to type. Then go to Save As type and save this as all files. Then click Save, and you can then exit out of this window. So now you'll notice that a new folder or file has appeared. Now this is a batch file, and this is what's going to essentially lock our folder. Now the first thing you want to do is double click on this lock file, this batch file, this new one that was created. And once you do that, it will then open a new folder called private. Now from here, you want to then drag all of your files or footage or photos into this new private folder. So I'm going to drag everything in here. You can do this all at once. You can drag them individually, and you can drag as much data in that as you want. You also want to drag in the lock text file into this folder as well, and just keep the private folder and the lock file inside of your My Stuff folder. So here, when we open My Stuff folder, we're going to have this private folder and we're going to have this lock file. So now once you've dragged all of your documents into the private folder, you want to double click on the lock file, and it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to lock this folder? Click Y or type Y for yes, then click enter. What that's going to do is it's going to completely then hide that folder and essentially lock everything. So now if someone goes and opens your folder called My Stuff, they're not going to see any files or folders, and the only way to unlock it is by double clicking on this and entering in the password that you've set previously. So my password is 1234, click enter, and then you can see this new folder appears. If you wanted to then lock it again, you would double click on the lock file. Are you sure you want to lock this? Yes. So that's how you can lock a folder on Windows 11. The only downside to this is if you have someone that's tech literate, they could right click on this batch file and then click edit in Notepad, and they could just go ahead and see the password. But if you're just trying to lock this from like peering eyes who aren't going to go deep into your computer, then it's perfect for that. Thank you for watching. I hope that quick video did help you out.